Elisha, what do you have?
I'm going to get something else.
Geneva, can you tell me what Elisha has?
A spoon.
What's on the spoon?
Chia pudding.
Oh, how did we make it?
With chia seeds.
You have to move your hand. I can't understand you. Elisha, do you like your chia pudding?
Yeah, he does.
He's trying to get his spoon.
Mommy, come see my land. Do you want to see what it looks like?
Sure, just a minute. Can I finish the video?
On the map.
Okay. Elisha, can you smile for your mommy? No.
Mommy, did we do? They did plantain chips last week.
We can have plantain chips tomorrow. We had chia pudding for snack today.